Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to dial in a color that fits your design perfectly. Whether you're creating a stunning banner for your Shopify store or designing a social media post, the background is one of the most important elements to get right. Let's dive in and make your design stand out. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside your design, look to the left-hand sidebar. Among the tools there, you'll see an option labeled Background. Go ahead and click that. This panel is your hub for anything that lives behind your content, and it gives you two simple paths: solid colors or images. Having control over your background is key to setting the tone for your entire design. A well-chosen background can draw attention to your content or create a balanced professional look. If you want a clean, consistent look, choose a color. A solid color is perfect for designs that need to stay simple, like a minimalist banner for your Shopify store or a clean business card. A consistent color background ensures that the focus remains on your product or message. Canva offers a wide range of colors that can complement any branding or theme. Just think about the vibe you want to convey. Bright, bold colors like red or yellow grab attention, while more muted tones like pastel blue or gray give a more relaxed, professional feel. If you'd like a more textured or photographic feel, you can browse Canva's stock photos here and set one as your background. Canva has an amazing selection of free stock photos, so you can easily find an image that matches your design's mood. Whether it's a subtle, abstract pattern or a stunning nature shot, choosing an image for your background can help you tell a story. The moment you select something, Canva applies it to your canvas, so you can instantly see how it looks behind your text, shapes, and images. This instant preview makes it easy to try a few options and pick what fits best. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's super easy to swap out images or colors until you find the perfect one. To fine-tune a color, look for the palette icon. Clicking it opens a broader set of color choices beyond the quick swatches you see initially. From there, select the plus sign to open the color picker. This is where you can really customize. Click and drag inside the color panel to explore different hues and intensities until you land on the exact shade you want. This is especially useful when you need to match your brand colors precisely. You'll have full control to adjust brightness, saturation, and even opacity to match your design perfectly. For example, if you're designing a background for your online store, make sure to choose a color that aligns with your brand identity for consistency across your site. If you already have a brand color, you can type in its hex code in the field provided. A hex code is a 6-character color value commonly used in design, and entering it ensures you get a precise match every time. For Shopify store owners, entering a hex code is crucial to keep your branding consistent across all your marketing materials. If you're unsure of your hex code, you can usually find it in your brand's style guide or by using a color picker tool online. As you adjust the color, watch how your design responds. The background updates immediately, which helps you judge whether your text stays readable and your images stand out. Always make sure there's enough contrast between your text and background, especially for important information like product names, prices, and calls to action. A background that's too similar in tone to your text can make it hard for customers to read. If a color feels too bright or too muted, simply drag again in the color panel or try another option from the palette. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Sometimes the perfect shade will surprise you. When deciding between a solid color and a photo, think about your content. Solid colors keep things simple and professional, while photos can add mood and context. For example, if you're designing a product page, a clean color background might make your product images pop more, whereas a photo might create an emotional connection with the customer, especially if you're selling lifestyle products. Whatever you choose, aim for contrast so your text, icons, and key visuals are easy to see at a glance. You don't want your background to overwhelm your design, but rather complement it and help your content stand out. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Background on the left, pick either a color or a stock photo, use the palette icon for more choices, and tap the plus sign to drag in the color panel or enter a hex code. Experiment a little, trust your eye, and settle on the background that makes your design shine.